Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can reset Instagram search suggestions. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and the user face will appear somewhat like this. And at the bottom right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And on the top right corner, you can see the menu bar or the three lines. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see the account center. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you have many different options. Go ahead and tap on your information and permissions. Now there is a search history. Go ahead and tap on it. So here you get the option clear all searches. You can just go ahead and tap on it. You can sort it and see newest to oldest and oldest to newest, and once it's done, you can just go ahead and clear your searches. And that's all guys. This is how easily you can reset Instagram searches. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.